One extra one.
Yeah,
Oh, my
of
mom.
course. 100%.
Sorry, guys.
Share your work around Artisan Makeover launched today, and you are yourself, being a hair and makeup enthusiast always. So, what do you have to say?
I think it's brilliant that right in the hub of the film world, Chirag has started an iconic makeup institute. We all know that he's a master of this game. Apart from the fact that he started his own line of makeup, I think the time has come when India needs brands exported all over the world rather than us patronizing brands from international firms. I think India, the Make in India slogan, the Atmanirbhar Bharat slogan gets impetus with people like Chirag because we need to create our own brands that go internationally. So congratulations Chirag,
Thank you, Nisha.
congratulations Tanaz, and I'm so proud of you and I'm so happy to be part of this venture.
And I think Nisha has always, for a very long time, through a common friend I was about to find out, and I think for a very long time she's been a beauty icon and a brand by herself. I just spoke to her about that, and she's the one who set amazing, amazing benchmarks for the industry. And that's how having her here was really, really, really important for me. And thank you for coming back. Thank you.
And Chirag looks wonderful today, so celebratory, and it right in the midst, spat bang, after a terrible pandemic. This is a beautiful way to come back to the world. I've just come back from a 3-month hiatus, and to come back to this absolutely beautiful celebration where we are all double vaxxed and protected. Congratulations and delighted to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nisha. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come.
Ma'am, one picture with you.
Yeah.
Come.
And of mine.
Can I send
One
it?
second. The whole team is here. One second.
One section.
Just give mine.
Okay, I'll just give someone. Sorry, pardon. I will go. I'm not with you. Sit down. Go down.
Straight one, Anmol. Yeah, take
Anmol
one
straight one.
Yeah, it makes everyone look long. I'm Nisha Jhan. I've done 2 weeks.
Aja, Chirag Magical Makeover, Tanaz collaboration today. What do you have to say?
मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है that I'm here and Tanaz ji has invited me personally. मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा but I was very little when I saw her first and I was quite starstruck and अभी इतने सालों बाद we connected again over social media and I love watching her videos and I've grown up seeing her amazing work on ज़बान संभाल के से लेकर कितने सारे शोज़ उन्होंने किए हैं, फिल्में की हैं. इन्होंने हमें बताया है कि सोनिया को सोनिया भी कहा जा सकता है, मतलब इतना इन्होंने हमें सिखाया है. तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई एम हियर एंड आई एम पार्ट ऑफ द सेलिब्रेशन एंड माय बेस्ट विशेस टू.
आप हेयर मेकअप कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है?
हाँ, एज एक्ट्रेसेस आपको बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि आप अच्छा हेयर मेकअप करें, हेयर करें और इन सारी चीज़ों का ख्याल रखें. तो जब से मैंने काम शुरू किया आई यूज्ड टू कीप आस्किंग माय मेकअप आर्टिस्ट ये कैसे करते हैं, वो कैसे करते हैं. सारी पक गई हैं, सब ने मुझे छोड़ दिया है. तो
हम लोग पालेंगे.
इसीलिए मैं यहाँ लेंगे.
हम आपको पकड़ लेंगे और यहीं पे बिठाएंगे
Yeah, so-
और पूरा का पूरा मेकअप मतलब सिखा के आपको छोड़ेंगे.
Yes. इन्होंने देख लिया है क्या क्या गड़बड़ की है. मैंने आज यहाँ पर खुद से मेकअप किया है तो नाइस अप्रूव.
Very natural and nice.
तो yeah, I love hair makeup and I love learning, so I'm going to keep coming here. It's okay.
It's
I want
he's
you
your
to be here
most
all the
welcome.
more.
Sorted. Yeah, sorted.
भी सीख रहे हैं, I'm sure जाने को भी और आपके सब फ्रेंड्स भी सिखाने वाले हैं.
Yes, totally. Actually मैं जेमी मैं जस्ट बोल रही थी कि मुझे खुद मतलब मेकअप प्रोफेशनल मेकअप लगाना आता ही नहीं है. मैं तो ऐसे
No, I've seen your videos. I've seen your videos.
पूरे मेकअप
हाँ.
की के घूमती है पहले दिन शूट में.
खुद भी कर लेती है और बेटी भी अच्छा मेकअप कर लेती है खुद से. I've seen it.
ज़ारा एक्चुअली मेरी बेटी 9 साल की है लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा मालूम होता है मेकअप, कंसीलर, कॉन्टूरिंग. कम Come.
Has she done her own makeup today?
Today, no magical makeover.
Oh, lovely.
Sit. Come here. Zian? Sit here, mama. Sit on my lap. Okay, sit down. How cute. नहीं, यहाँ वैसे जाने. So ये है Zara और she loves makeup और वो बहुत बारी मुझे कहती है कि you know ये रेनबो लुक करना and what is that fellow's name James Charles जैसे करना वो अभी बहुत ट्रेंडिंग में है some color
Smoky eyes, she knows smoky eyes.
yeah and concealer और under eye ये सब उसे पता है. So मैंने सोचा कि why not teach her and make her the youngest makeup artist. क्योंकि you know बहुत सारे लोग ये सोचते हैं कि oh my god it's not your age to be you know learning all this, but I said no, if it's your passion and you love it, there's no age, the age is not a bar, you know. Amazing. Yeah, she's my biggest critic before I leave for a party or anything. So she will tell me कि मम्मी आप बहुत wannabe लग रहे हो, ये लिपस्टिक बिल्कुल भी मत पहनना. And I'm like okay,
And at
I'll
this age,
take
she
it
knows
out.
what an eyeshadow is, she knows that there's a concealer, she knows there's a foundation. I personally met her and I asked her, I said, no, use only foundation. She's like, no. I've seen what Mama does, there's concealer and then foundation, so you can imagine the knowledge this child has from her.
Chirag, before we wind up,
Yes.
I just want you to tell us about the palette, the interesting colors that we are seeing around.
Sure, of course, definitely 100%.
Mr. Shetty, can we have a palette, please? If it's okay. Yeah, can we have a palette?
I'll open it so you see the colors.
Guys,
ये है Ooh La La palette.
So that's the palette, and the whole idea behind the palette was to come up with colors that would complement Indian skin tones. So as far as Indian skin tones go, you need warm colors, so you have a majority of all your warm colors, and you can accentuate them with cool colors just for the sides or just for certain areas. That's how the whole making of the palette took place.
So is it something that you coordinated with the outfit today?
Yeah.
हाँ, you can do a trial over here. Yeah, do.
Just
Oh,
it's
it's
so
superb.
quick. Even the textures are so good that you could just put it on, and within a few
Yeah.
seconds you will have it.
Wow. That's
wow.
So you could just have it applied. The textures are really good, and it's a fun palette. It's full of vibrancy, as you can see, and that's just me. I sort of denote all these colors, and they are all colors of life and happiness, and that's how I came up with it.
I think that's the reason you're matching the
Yes,
shirt and the
absolutely.
sweater.
Yeah.
सारे पैलेट के कलर शर्ट पे भी है.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Ready? Tanas, let Tanas.
Yeah, let's go.
तुम लोग वो देखो वो कहाँ पे गए थे
Rohit. The bike.
नीचे कौन पड़ आ जाओ टी-शर्ट बना देंगे फिर मैं क्या
Teachers with the white scarf.
साथ में कर लेंगे हाँ साथ में
I have to really appreciate Travis is calling me.
One side.
Silence everyone now.
चलो bye.
Rolling. Nisha, you're looking lovely. You're here.
Am I?
What
Thank
do
you.
you have to say? You're enthusiasm, hair and makeup enthusiast yourself. So wonderful.
Thanks, Parul. You've always been kind with your words and your actions towards me, and I had to come here. Such a big day for Tanaz and Bakhtiar, and this means a lot. Yes, hair, makeup, fashion is a thing that I think makes a person feel good from within, and everyone deserves to celebrate themselves. And I'm really happy for people, for them, for spreading happiness and joy, and new beginnings are, I guess, always wonderful and exciting. So, yeah, I want to wish them all the best with all my heart.
What makeup tips would you like to give?
I think.
Chirag and Tanaz between,
Yeah, she does wonderful makeup. मैं बहुत बारी उसके वीडियोस देखती हूँ, ट्यूटोरियल्स देखती हूँ. सो ये बहुत बखूबी से अपने अलग अलग स्टाइल्स करती है, एंड शी लुक्स गॉर्जियस इन एवरीथिंग, एंड शी इज सो enthusiastic about everything that she shows, very real on social media, which is very rare to see. And that's why I think we just completely bond, because I like
And these days I'm pretty generally rare on social media. But,
Yes.
But yeah, I guess tips on makeup is, like she said, enthusiasm and excitement, and the interest and passion to do anything makes it come across, how it should come across. So I think it's more about my enthusiasm and excitement towards whatever I do that makes it look so wonderful.
yes, it does.
Yes, that's it.
what would you like to say? I mean, Chirag and Tanaz, your friends, we saw you had the makeover here and it's looking lovely.
Thank you so
What
much.
would you like to say?
You know what? I always believe when you have to learn something, you have to learn from the best.
Woo!
Wow!
Wow!
Talk about food. When you talk about, you have to learn from the best.
Yeah.
Talk about makeup. You have to learn from the
देखा
best.
सच बोला, बलून फटा सच बोला. देखा?
Yes, Tanaz, I have
Yes.
to say this. So when you have to learn the makeup, because in our industry, like look at Nisha, look at Tanaz, you know how you carry yourself, it's very, very important apart from just the dress. So when you apply makeup, the right makeup, the quality, the brand, like Chirag was explaining about ingredients that
ये बहुत सच नहीं हो रहा है अभी. रोहित, gangster.
So yeah, I was saying learning from the right person is very important, and like Chirag's name, जैसे इनका नाम है ना, चिराग के आते ही रोशनी आ जाती है.
Yes.
So that's how.
Yeah, we understand. और पटाखे भी फूट रहे हैं रोहित की बदौलत.
So my today's makeup is done by Chirag's team and it's wonderful.
Yeah, Mukta did it.
I have to say one thing about Tanaz. मैंने Tanaz को जब पहली बार देखा था और अभी देख रही हूँ, I've never seen any change.
Yeah, I agree.
Like last 15 years I have seen Tanaz. She
Just the
is
same.
Just the same.
Hands frozen for her.
Yeah. So you have to have a makeup जहाँ पे आपकी एज रिवर्स में चलती जा रही है. So that's what Tanaz is all about. And Nisha is just
अरे
like
थैंक यू. ओके बेबी, ओके. We love you, darling. We love you. तेरे से वो अंदर से वो आ रहे हैं बाहर पॉइंट्स.
I would like to give one message to everyone who is inspiring themselves to become a makeup artist, or everyone who ever has been thinking that makeup and hair could not be a huge form of a career. Inhibitions that some guys carry where they feel, oh, I can't be a makeup artist. But if you realize all the topmost makeup artists in the world are actually guys.
Yeah.
And the reason that happens is because they know how they want to accentuate on the beauty of a female. And when you do that, it's actually done with passion, love, and a bond and friendship. So on a parting note, I would say that this is really a career that you must venture into if you're looking at something that is long-lasting, something that could go ahead and get independence and empowerment for you. Thank you.
And I'm sorry, but on that note, whatever he said was so beautiful that I feel that this is also for parents out there. You know, in our society, we're just conditioned to believe that certain jobs are for women and certain are for
Yes,
men.
yes.
And there are so many guys out there who have inclination towards doing makeup, but they shy away from just coming out and saying that I want to be a makeup artist, because then somebody will pop up and say, no, that's like pretty much a girl's job, you know.
True.
So I
Yeah,
believe parents
absolutely
must be
true, yeah.
very forthcoming, and they must receive their children with open arms and encourage them to be whatever they want to be. So
Yeah,
I think
I
that's
agree with
one
you.
part too.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
And like
yeah.
as an artist, you know, we always don't get makeup artists. So कभी-कभी खुद सीख लेना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. I mean, as an
ज़रूरी है,
artist,
yes.
it's very important to learn. कभी भी ज़िंदगी में काम आ सकता है. So
Yeah,
must
absolutely.
come and learn.
Yeah. I just think that this is a very big booming business because makeup is not going anywhere. It's touching even the most smallest household. If you see even the villages, everyone wants to put on makeup. अगर आप यहाँ के top notch bloggers को देखोगे या trending लोगों को देखोगे, so you will see that they're not only from Bombay. Trending लोग, bloggers, social media is obviously the need of the generation Z, right? Gen Z. They are all from small villages. उनको भी मेकअप सीखना है. तो आज इस जिस दौर से हम लोग गुजर रहे हैं, मेकअप इज़ नॉट ओनली फॉर फिल्म स्टार्स, या मेकअप उस आदमी या उस लड़की के लिए नहीं है जो बॉम्बे में है या टाउन में है या ओ माय गॉड अंधेरी, यू नो व्हाटएवर. नो, इट्स इवन मेंट फॉर पीपल इन द स्मॉल विलेजेस. सो अगर, और वो तो ओलंपिक्स जीत रहे हैं, जो गांव में रह रहे हैं वो ओलंपिक्स जीत रहे हैं, हमें इंटरनेशनल मैप पे लगा रहे हैं. तो क्यों ना हम उसी यू नो पैशन के साथ वो लड़कियां जो मेकअप सीखना चाहते हैं उनको क्यों ना हम इनकरेज करें. कम हियर, लर्न इट फ्रॉम द बेस्ट. और जब उन्हें पता चलेगा कि यू नो ओके देयर इज तनाज, शी इज़ ऑल्सो मदर, शी अंडरस्टैंड्स द बिजनेस, उनके भी 3 बच्चे हैं. There's Chirag, who's worked with the best of things. So you've got a good backing, you've got a good family backing, you've got good technicians. You feel safe when you send that person to our academy. So why not? Why can't we empower those people also?
Tanaz also does life coaching. So that is
Yeah.
going to
Yes.
be something she's going to be doing in this center.
Amazing.
And that was something that won my heart when I came to know that she's not only come with me as a partner, but she's also going to be putting her sweat and blood into the place. And my heart went out to that because there are so many people who have passed through such harsh times and hard times. Nobody wants to show it because we know that the world isn't going to appreciate you crying.
Yeah.
But what is within a person is always needing a solution, and I think a life coach is very necessary to get you back on track.
So I'm enrolling it right now. कब से fees कब से करना है?
आप प्रिय आ जाओ. आप आ जाओ. आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नीड अ लॉट ऑफ गाइडेंस. और कभी कभार आपके खुद के माँ बाप आपके सपने नहीं पहचान पाते हैं, आपकी बातें सुन नहीं पाते हैं जो आप एक्चुअली कहना चाहते हैं. तो यहाँ पे इंस्टीट्यूट में सिर्फ हम आपको प्रोफेशनल तरीके से नहीं ट्रेन करेंगे, लेकिन अंदर से हम आपको ट्रेन करेंगे जिस तरह से आप खुद अपने पैरों पे खड़े होंगे और अंदर से आप कॉन्फिडेंस होंगे. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो बाहर से दिखता है जो अंदर नहीं है. यू नो दे आर लाइक वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, बट अंदर वो पूरी तरह से टूट गए हैं. वो भी शख्स को एक चांस देना चाहिए और वो भी इंसान ही है. सो दे कैन कम हियर व्हेन दे आर लर्निंग द मेकअप, दे हैव मी टू ट्रेन देम, एंड दैट्स व्हाट लाइफ कोचिंग इज ऑल अबाउट.
तनाज़ आपकी neckpiece आई थी जिससे बहुत आवाज़ सुनने में आ रही थी, बहुत beautiful है. Just can you know about it?
So ये neck piece is Mr. Shetty has got it from
Manik Gems.
Manik Gems. I'm very
Manik
Manik
Gems.
सारे.
Shetty,
और
my
ये
neck is empty.
ओहो, कोई लगा दो फांसी का, ओ सॉरी, कोई लगा दो
I'm getting the
नेकलेस.
most expensive. 170 lakhs right
Can I
now.
walk out with that?
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Even I got this
From Manik Gems. Yeah.
international.
Yes.
Such a good deal.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Please. वो चार्ट for number चार्ट.
Maybe I will
Both of us.
Be careful, don't fall.
निशा निशा.
break of this lockdown. Like आज makeup का launch हुआ था, क्या कहना चाहोगे तनाज़ और चिराग जी?
आप बोलिए पहले.
I would just, I'm from UK, so I would like to wish them every happiness in the world, lots of prosperity, and of course, congratulations. And it's just really nice that they put something so wonderful together. And style is never ended, so I think, yeah, just for that.
सो सबसे पहले तो मैं उनको बधाई देना चाहूँगी। ये बहुत ही अच्छी पहल है और मैंने जो देखा है यहाँ पे मैंने सुना ये एकेडमी भी होने वाली है, तो यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली स्किल ट्रेनिंग होगा, which is the need of the hour. There's a lot of youth that requires skill training, and there's a lot of youth that is interested in this kind of profession. And with Chirag and Tanaz, I mean, she's from the media, from the industry. Chirag is there from the industry, so it'll be wonderful for the youth. Now, with regards to makeovers, I think everybody, I mean, trust me, getting ready for any event is a big pain. So if I have somebody to do it for me, and if you obviously pay for the services, I think that makes life easier. Otherwise, you don't have to go and call a professional like a makeup man from the film industry. There, sometimes your makeup man are busy in another shoot. Now you have a bunch of makeup and hair people over here, and you can either come over, and I think they even send them over to your own place. That'll be wonderful. One point contact.
What you would like to share with your audience?
Tips about? So 33 and almost 33 years industry में tips तो मैं क्या share करना चाहूँगी, but obviously you go with the trends, and as you age along, I think you must try to keep it as minimum as possible. If it suits you well, go the whole hog. But that's the way I look at it.
What you would like to share?
I just go for simple makeup. So for me, I think, I go for simple makeup. I always try out different brands as well. So it's just really nice that a new product has come out, and which will be very good for the youth, for the community, for everybody to try it out and just to basically enjoy it. And makeup is one of those things that is glamorous. If you wish to keep it glamorous, you keep it glamorous. You wish to keep it simple, you keep it simple. So it's just really nice that something new's come out. So yeah.
What are the 5 things that you always give in your like bag or instant or
5 things. अब बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछ लिया. 5 बहुत ज़्यादा है. मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा है. I usually obviously a lip liner and a lipstick and maybe kajal and maybe eyebrow pencil और थोड़ा सा powder puff. I think powder puff जो होता है, basically that's it, and I just keep those kind of little things. Yeah. Thank you so much.